Did you know you can run powerful cloud applications without ever touching a server? Or choose the exact compute service that makes your app faster, cheaper, and more reliable almost instantly? Cloud computing powers almost every app you use, but behind every click, swipe, and stream are carefully chosen compute services. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to give an overview of AWS compute services, understand why and when to use EC2, Lambda, and Elastic Beanstalk, navigate the EC2 console and perform essential operations, optimize ECT costs, run containerized applications in managed clusters. We start small, layer the knowledge, and by the end, you'll see the entire compute ecosystem in AWS. Overview of AWS Compute Services. AWS offers a toolkit of compute services. Each solves a different problem. EC2, full control over virtual servers. Lambda, run code without managing servers. Elastic Beanstalk, deploy applications automatically. Containers, ECS and EKS, run apps in isolated, portable environments. Think of these as tools in a kit. Each has a specific purpose. We'll explore when and why to use each. Amazon EC2, virtual servers you control. EC2 is the foundation. It lets you choose your OS and instance size, configure CPU, memory, and storage, control networking, security, and apps. You use EC2 when you need flexibility and complete control. It's your cloud hammer, simple but powerful. Navigating the EC2 console. Inside the console, the main components are instances, your virtual servers, security groups, firewalls, key pairs, secure login credentials, AMIs, pre-configured machine images, performing basic EC2 functions. Step by step, you can launch a virtual environment, launch an instance with an AMI, assign it to a VPC and subnet, configure security groups and key pairs, connect via SSH or RDP, install and run applications. EC2 cost optimization. Cloud costs can spiral if unmanaged. Key strategies: pick the right instance type for your workload. Use spot or reserved instances to save money. Scale automatically with demand. Right-size your resources. AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk abstracts server management. You focus on the application, AWS handles the infrastructure. Use it when you want rapid deployment. You don't need full server control. You want automatic scaling and monitoring. AWS Lambda, serverless compute. Lambda is for event-driven code execution. Run code on demand. Handle short tasks efficiently. Avoid managing servers entirely. Containerized applications. Containers package applications for portability and reliability. AWS provides ECS, Managed Container Orchestration, EKS, Kubernetes for AWS. Run multiple containers in clusters to scale applications efficiently. Stepwise explanation here reinforces mastery, preventing overwhelm. Compute in AWS works like an ecosystem. EC2 gives raw power. Elastic Beanstalk automates deployment. Lambda runs code serverlessly. Containers orchestrate modular apps. Each service complements the others. By understanding their relationships, the learner now sees the full architecture of cloud compute. If this clarified AWS compute services for you, subscribe to Tech Hub Africa and hit the notification bell to never miss an update on cloud development and knowledge bites. In the next episode, we will break down AWS storage services, the backbone of all cloud applications. Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon S3, Amazon Elastic File System, and Amazon S3 Glacier. Compute is nothing without storage. Next, we'll explore how AWS keeps your data safe, accessible, and scalable.